Welcome back MVP Road Car, and today we're diving into a car that's not just a vehicle, but resurrection of an icon. Meet the 2026 Citroën 2CV. Yes, you heard that right, Citroën has brought back the legendary 2CV Vox. But this time, it's wearing a 21st century suit. A symbol of post-war simplicity has now been reimagined as a modern, efficient, and eco-conscious compact that still carries the quirky soul of the original. So buckle up, because we're going into every detail of what it looks like, how it feels inside, how it performs, and what kind of price tag it's bringing to the table. Let's start with what catches your eye first. To the exterior. The 2026 2CV stays remarkably faithful to the silhouette of the original. That iconic arched roof line, rounded fenders, and flat body panels have all been reinterpreted through a modern lens. It's a clever blend of retro charm and futuristic design language. The LED headlamps, for example, are circular just like the classic model, but now house modern adaptive tech. The grille is minimal, more decorative than functional since this is now a fully electric car. You'll notice clamshell-style front and rear hood, yes, which are nods to the past but executed with sharper creases and tighter tolerances. The car sits on 16-inch wheels, but the steel wheel look is preserved with cleverly designed aerodynamic covers that resemble vintage hubcaps. The side profile is charmingly boxy with flared arches and subtle body cladding to give it the slightly rugged appeal. There's even a canvas roof option, yes, just like the original, only now it's fully automated and weather-sealed. You can open it up at the push of a button to turn your daily drive into a pseudo-convertible experience. This is not just retro for the sake of nostalgia, it's a well-thought-out design that respects the past while embracing the future. Step inside, and the simplicity continues, but it's a new kind of simplicity. The cabin is minimalist but not bare bones. You're greeted by an open, airy dashboard with fabric-covered surfaces and modular storage. The central infotainment screen is a 10-inch floating display that runs Citroën's latest TUX interface, which is clean, responsive, and loaded with essentials like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a built-in voice assistant. But what makes the interior really stand out is how customizable it is. You can change out panels, seat covers, and even dashboard trims with snap-on pieces. Much like Lego for grown-ups, the seating position is upright and offers excellent visibility all around. The seats themselves are slim yet surprisingly comfortable, thanks to Citroën's advanced comfort program. The suspension seats are designed to soak up bumps before they even reach the car's already plush suspension setup. Rear passengers get more legroom than you'd expect from a car this compact, and the flat floor adds to the roomy feel. The trunk space isn't massive, but it's practical, with a modular 2-level load floor and fold-flat rear seats. You're not getting limousine luxury here, but you are getting something that feels uniquely fresh, airy, and entirely in step with what urban commuters need. Now let's talk performance. The 2026 Citroën 2CV is available with 2 electric powertrains. The base model comes with a single motor driving the front wheels, producing around 90 horsepower. It's not fast, but it's more than adequate for city driving. It zips from 0 to 60 in about 11 seconds. But what really impresses is the smooth-to-work delivery and silent operation. The step-up model, labeled the 2CV Plus or the Plus, gets a slightly beefier 120 horsepower motor and a larger battery pack, bringing the 0-60 time down to around 8.5 seconds. Both variants top out at around 19. Not built for speed, but for comfort, efficiency, and charm. Battery range is quite decent for a car in this class. The base model offers about 190 miles of real-world range on a full charge, while the 2CV Plus extends that to just under 250 miles. It supports DC fast charging up to 80 kilowatts, allowing you to go from 10 to 80% in just over 30 minutes. On a level 2 home charger, expect a full recharge overnight. Regenerative braking is adjustable through the infotainment screen, offering a true one-pedal drive mode if you prefer that smooth urban glide. Handling is surprisingly nimble, thanks to its lightweight construction and compact dimensions. It's incredibly maneuverable in tight city streets. The steering is light but precise, and the suspension is Citroën's traditional strong point that absorbs bumps and potholes like a much larger luxury car. It's not meant to carve corners, but it offers a relaxing and even somewhat fun driving experience, especially with that open roof and the quiet hum of the electric motor. Safety tech is generous even on the base model. You get automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control as standard. Higher trims add features like a 360-degree camera system, traffic sign recognition, and semi-autonomous highway driving assist. It's clear that Citroën has kept urban drivers in mind. Easy parking, tight maneuvering, and excellent outward visibility are baked into the DNA of the new 2CV. Alright, now let's get into what it's going to cost you. The base 2CV starts at just under $23,000 in Europe, which is impressive for an EV with this level of personality and standard features. The 2CV Plus model will set you back around $27,000, but includes the bigger battery, upgraded motor, and a few more interior luxuries. There's also a special launch edition, a limited production with exclusive colors and interior materials that might creep toward the $30,000 mark. Still, for what you're getting, it's a very competitive price point. And yes, Citroën plans to bring it to select markets outside Europe, including parts of Asia and possibly even a US release depending on demand and regulatory adjustments. Overall, the 2026 Citroën 2CV isn't just a nostalgic nameplate slapped onto a new platform. It's a carefully considered reinvention of a car that stood for simplicity, accessibility, and character. In a market crowded with anonymous crossovers and overly futuristic EVs, the new 2CV dares to be different. It brings back a bit of whimsy to the road, without sacrificing practicality or modern expectations. It's charming, affordable, efficient, and unmistakably French. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2026 Citroën 2CV. If you're into retro-futuristic design, eco-conscious motoring, or just something with a bit more personality than your average EV, this one might just be worth a test drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you drive this electric throwback? Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your reviews rolling. MVP Road Car, signing out.